But look, today's announcement has nothing to do with the president. The real collusion scandal, as we've said several times before, has everything to do with the Clinton campaign, Fusion GPS, and Russia. There's clear evidence of the
Give me a break, okay? Look, the speculation is so insane right now. What we should be focusing on are the continued lies of the Clinton administration, the continued fallacies that they perpetuate. Look,
you call it opposition research only when it's got Democrat fingerprints on it. When the Republicans were meeting with sources who claimed to have bad information about Hillary Clinton, that was collusion.
what did President Clinton or President Clinton wannabe when it comes to Clinton and her email server scandal? Why hasn't she been charged? Probably the biggest scandal of all is Bill and Hillary Clinton selling out America's national security to Putin and the Russians. Between Fusion GPS, between Uranium One, we have evidence of real Russian collusion.
It appears they don't know I'm not president.